Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the center dash speaker on your Sprinter van. So when taking on this task, the first thing you'll want to do is have the actual speaker that you'll be installing. I highly recommend an OEM speaker so that it installs directly without any modifications. So in doing that, you need a small flathead screwdriver, and you will simply come in here and pry the front side of this plate up. So when prying the plate up, you want to lift it straight up and toward the front of the windshield. And then you can see here that the tabs just simply unclip. In warmer climates, these tabs just tend to break off. Now using a T25 Allen tool, you can remove the two screws holding the speaker in, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then pull the speaker straight up and it'll now be removed. There are two sets of wires on the speaker. You'll want to take note that on the driver's side of the vehicle, there is a brown and blue wire. By using an OEM speaker, there are no modifications and you can simply just clip and unclip these wires. And then we'll reinstall it in the same order that we removed it. Before installing the new speaker, I do always like to compare it to the original speaker that I removed. And then we'll go ahead and put this in place, reconnect both of the wires, and then we will be ready to put the screws back in. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we'll tighten these up. They don't have to be super tight, and then we will reinstall our cover. This cover just pushes forward to the front of the dash, and I push the part in closest to the window down first. Then we will finish installing the speaker by pushing in the top part of this cover as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and check out the description for the speaker part and tools needed for this process.